Welcome back, guys. Today is December 25th. It is Christmas. Merry Christmas. We are going to get into Santa's secret sauce. It says, enjoy with Christmas meal, a top secret sauce recipe that has been passed down from fathers to sons for generations of clauses. Do not open until December 25th. It is a little bigger. There it is. It says batch number 83. A Claus family recipe. Santa's secret sauce. Enjoy with the Christmas meal. It basically says the same thing that it says on the door. It says to the top secret sauce recipe that has been passed down from fathers to sons for generations of clauses. On the side, it says, this sauce has been in Santa's family for many generations and is his most heavily guarded sauce recipe. It features cayenne and jalapeno peppers with a host of secret ingredients known only to the big man himself. Alright, let's get into the sauce. Oh, alright guys, it has a peppery smell. I don't pick up a lot of vinegar. I can smell the spices. Let's go ahead and get another taste. I don't know. I can't put my finger on it. It's not too spicy. It's got a little bit of heat. It doesn't taste like a specific pepper, and the spices kind of give it a weird taste, a weird aftertaste. It's kind of tangy. Overall, it's fairly decent. It's not my favorite sauce in here. Alright, here is number 25. It says cayenne and jalapeno peppers, vinegar, onions, sugar, salt, xanthan gum, and spices. Overall, it's a decent sauce. It's not my favorite. It has kind of a weird taste from the spices, I think, but it's fairly good. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos. Thank you for watching this series, and subscribe.